Welcome back to activity number 2, where we will be continuing activity number 1, calculating the temperature. So now, after we created the new variable, and after we calculated temp C means temperature Celsius, we are going to go ahead and calculate temp K. So temp K is equal to temp C plus 273. Temp T is Kelvin and temp C is Celsius. So now we're going to find the final results. So temperature in Celsius is temp C. So whatever our answer is here will be something degrees Celsius. And the temperature in Kelvin is temp K, means K. So we're going to go ahead and run it. And our temperature in Celsius is 31.11111114 degrees Celsius, and the temperature in Kelvin is 304.1 K. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for more videos like these. If you like this, then go check out my previous videos too. And subscribe, like, and share with your family and friends. Bye.